doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So welcome back. Today's vlog is going to be us shopping at Ikea because I see a few things and I need a few things, and who doesn't love a trip to Ikea? So yeah, let's go. I really like all the random stuff like I can find in here. Look, they have some microfiber towels for $2.49. These loofahs, now these, oh, it's a set of 3. I was about to say they look a little small for $3.99, but it's a set of 3. I like the colors though. Spoons, look, a 4 count. If you know, this looks like probably good for like a toddler or something like that, like a baby or a toddler. But a four-piece set for only 49 cents. Like Ikea be having some good stuff. Yeah, a clock for $4.99. It's a little different. That's a good deal on them little spoons though. Well, bathroom caddy. Oh, I need this. We need this. Because I had this in my cart on Amazon and didn't get it. You gonna hold it, Wills? Yeah.
This for the microwave?
Here, hold this for me. Yeah. And this one in here is only $1.79. Alright, so here, look, they have some bamboo tongs for $1.99. Okay. What else? Dish drying mat, $2.99. Just a little beige organizer here. What's some cork? Random cork for something. It's a 3-pack. Oh, look, some lint rollers for 99 cents they have. And then they have the refills for $3.99. Napkins. What's this? A cutting board. Okay, okay. A storage case. These are some good bags. Like the storage case bags like this. Some gloves, spray bottles. Ceiling cup set. Okay. I like this little section with all these lights. Oh, you know what? We need this light bulbs too, because I keep saying I need to change out that light in the living room and still haven't done it yet. What other ones do they have? These don't look as white as the other ones though. But I like the setup, the way they have them hanging from the ceiling. Cute. Y'all want to see? I'm gonna show you. You can get those big Ikea bags for 99 cents. Faucet. Sometimes it's like random stuff sitting places. What's this? Oh, to water your plants and stuff. How much are these? I don't see the price on those. Alright. We are upstairs by the little cafe area. I'm not gonna do the meatballs today. I usually get the meatballs and stuff when I come here, but I need to eat, so I feel like I'm gonna need a little more than that. That's like good for like a snack whenever you're here. So I'm gonna wait and get something else to eat, but it smells good. I have to resist the urge to be over there. I don't know, they do have like little hot dogs and stuff downstairs too, like a little snack. Yes, I said a hot dog for a snack. That's the way my mind operates. Okay, one singular hot dog is like a snack for me. Okay, but let me get back to showing y'all some more of the stuff, okay? It's holiday time. You all might need some of this stuff, or you might want to gift some of this stuff to somebody. So I'm gonna show y'all some stuff if I see something cool, okay? Some organization, get some more containers like that. What's this? Some cookies. And they have the bags out so you can see what size and stuff.
Oh no, that's a snack container. Yeah.
This snack container is $1.99. Kind of cute little container. These are little advent calendars and stuff. 14. It's a little tree. I like that little setup. That's cute. Okay, so this section has some wrapping paper. And look at that. I like that. Ooh, look at these. This is cute. $3.99 for a 3-pack. Those are so cute. Let's see what else they have. Okay, this would be cute little tray for a holiday party. I like that. Little tea-light size candles. Some ornaments. Geese. Little gnomes. It's a cute pillow too. And what's this? A tin of cookies. Pillow is $19.99 in case y'all were wondering. And the gnome it's on sale for $3.49. Some cute little mugs. Love a good Christmas mug, okay? $1.99. Little snow globe. That is so cute. Little bags. Some dishes with just a little red rim. So that's good. Look at these. 99¢. Okay? 99¢. Such a good deal. Now for this pack. Oh, that's a good deal. And these are $3.49. And this design is $2.99. The ones that look like this. They have some bigger pillows over here too. Let's see them. They have these bigger pillows over here too. This bigger square shaped one is $14.99. This one's pretty cute too though. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, you know what? They have them tied together. I can't just show it to you. No wonder. I was like, why is it so heavy? Hold on, let me do it like this so you can see it. Okay, they just have them stuck together. But so the bigger one, square one like this is $14.99, and the other one is $19.99. Oh, that little red lantern is cute too for $29. Ooh, it's big. It's heavy too. Okay, nice and sturdy. Some napkins, all that good stuff. Oh, I like this too. I didn't realize this too. This little lampshade for $7.99. Look at that. It's cute. It's like thin, but I mean it's cute. It's for holiday. That is cute for $7.99. And then they have these packs of ornaments for $8.99. I like these colors. So they have these with like the pink and blue and stuff. And then they have some gold and red ones. Those are $8.99. Cute. tried these. I don't think you're gonna eat that. You might, but I don't know. What are those? $1? $1. Okay, so downstairs they have the section that has all the rest of the stuff that goes along with those little pack of spoons that I showed y'all that were 49¢, and it's only $1.99 for the other stuff. Look, you get a set of cups, like 6 different little cups for $1.99, and then they have the pack with the plates and the bowls. That is so cute. That's such a good deal for that. I haven't been seeing that. So yeah, if you know somebody who has like little kids or a toddler, definitely. And then the little bowl is pretty deep too. Like, it's a good size. And this is a close-up of the plates. Okay, you can definitely put that with a little toddler's gift, okay? Then they have these little bins for $3.99. That's why I like coming in here. There's always some good stuff in here. So, yeah. Okay. Let me go find the guys because they are leaving me. They know I'm trying to show you guys stuff and they will still leave me. They're probably like, oh, she's taking too long. Ooh, it's just always so much cool, cute stuff. These would be good for some juice shots. That's a good little thing for some juice shots. They really do have good deals on these dry food jars with lids though, because for $4.99, like I see a lot of places with the jars and lids like this, and most of them are usually like, you know, $9.99 or more. So it's a pretty good deal for these, and I think they are good for gifts. I'm pretty sure I was vlogging in, I don't know for sure, but like one year I for like my mom and my mother-in-law and stuff, I got them pantry organization things and then printed a picture of like a inspo pic of how they could use it, and like little baskets to go with the containers and stuff. So it's like, you know, the gift of organization. So I feel like that's a good idea too for a gift. So if you have someone that's kind of hard to shop for and you don't know what they might want, get them stuff like that. They can organize their home. You can do it for other areas too, not just the kitchen, but something like these containers would be good. And then, like I said, just print out some inspo pics and stuff, if you kind of see something and you want it to look exactly like what you saw, something like that is always good, you know, for a gift. Just if you need an idea for somebody that's hard to shop or buy something for. But let me show them to you guys real quick. Let's taste it. I don't know how this is gonna taste with ketchup on it. It's still good. Okay, you guys, so it's quite a few people in the store right now. It is making it a little difficult for me to record some of the stuff because, like, you know, people are trying to look and it's holiday time, so it's lots of people in the store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this vlog here, but don't worry, I'll come back and we'll do more like IKEA shopping vlog footage one day during the week. I'll just come during the week, probably in the afternoon when it's a little bit slower. You want to say hey? Why would he be looking like that? So yeah, you guys, hopefully, you know, this was just a little look at what's in the store right now and what I'm looking at. But yeah, and look, and there's the kid. So I'll definitely make sure that I come back and show you guys more stuff. I'll look around, see some more deals and stuff, and then let you guys know about it. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.